So few links have been pasted in the chat box. First link is of syllabus link. In case you are in grade 5 or 6, you can pick up your syllabus according to your grade. In case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can complete your payment process and you can join the batch. Yes, we are always welcome to take up the feedback. You just need to fill up the form and we'll get it. You have complete right to know in detail about the particular batch. You can click on this all batch detail link and you'll get to know. In case you have any further queries, you can always email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com, or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Yes, we will be going to go live on the Facebook. In case you have an internet glitch and you will not be able to join us back via Zoom, no need to worry. You can watch this demo, which will be live on the Facebook. Okay. So now I would like to invite your mentor at the platform. Her name is Miss Neha Singh. She's a wonderful mentor. Her conceptual clarity is in depth, and I'm sure you'll be going to learn a lot from her because her classes are very interesting and productive because she's been teaching Olympiad students from past 5 years. So with this, over to you, Neha ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hello, everyone. I know today nobody is able to speak. In upcoming sessions, we are going to have a lot of chit chat. Okay. So I'm your reasoning mentor today. I have experience of, means in offline teaching, I have experience of more than 7 years. In online teaching, I have experience of 5 years. I'm taking the classes of mathematics as well as reasoning in Olympiad Success. Okay. And you're going to have a lot of, means the session will be full of fun and it will be interactive too. Okay. Whatever the questions will be done, that's what you have to learn the difference from the other platforms, and here that you have to focus on speed and accuracy. Okay. Rest of the things you are learning in your schools, you are learning, means suppose if you are taking any tuitions also, but here what you have to learn, you have to how to catch up the speed and with accuracy. Okay. Now few things will be discussed by Pooja ma'am, then I'll be taking your demo. Ma'am, please over to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I guess you must have understood that your mentor loves to talk to kids. So I'm sure you will be going to talk a lot to her in upcoming sessions. So let's have a presentation, Megha ma'am, quickly on the screen, please.
Sure, ma'am. All right, kids, so kindly be attentive. So I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind yearly program that includes courses that matter. We are having 8 courses, School Plus program, mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes from grade 2 to grade 12, and one-on-one preparation classes for various Olympiads. You can meet our rank holders. These are kids like you only. No need to worry. You just need to spare extra 2 hours from regular studies because Olympiad's success is Olympiad examination is quite tougher than the regular curriculum. We are having a live Olympiad sessions, group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant teaching experience. We are having 2 sessions per week, Saturday, Sunday from 6:30 p.m. till 7:45 p.m. IST with 5 minutes of break. This session includes mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, and discussion on previous year paper. Student will get the reading material and practice question available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success, and student will also get a free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice the topic-wise mock test. So syllabus is available at particular link for grade 5 and grade 6. The fee of the course is rupees 7,140. It is a 32 session course and payment can be made by using this link. These fees include online class, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year paper, and access to Olympiad Success platform. What else required? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed, laptop or desktop with camera, and headphones for the better audio clarity. So live classes will be starting from 28th of June 2025. In 2024, Olympiad Success has students from more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about informative PPT. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Right? Right, Skyra? Okay, we'll ask question then. Okay, over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I hope my screen is visible to everybody. So what you have to do, students, so you have to enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com, wherein you will be going to enter this user ID. Okay. This will be that ID with which you will register with us. Sign in. After signing in, you'll get your profile details. Check it. In case you find any error, you can update it over here. Okay, so you can update your profile over here. Moving forward, you need to click on live classes in which you're going to get your entire material, select your subject, and of course topic. So in schedule, you'll get the clarity in which session you're going to cover which particular topic. Okay, so there are test days also. So in that test, you're going to get mock test paper from your mentor before a class. So in coming session, you're going to discuss your doubts and scores with your mentor. In super classes, you will be going to cover previous year papers with your mentor. Yes, we are living in North, so we do have so many festival holidays, so we don't want you to miss any of the session. Here you go with the reading material. So we have different sets. So I'll be going to show you just one as of now. Okay. So you can see the type of questions and difficulty level. Tricky questions, of course, will be there. Hot questions will be there. So that's what your mentor has told you, that you need to be very, very quick and you need to be smart enough to just solve the questions. Okay. Don't waste your lot of time on one particular question. That is why you are entering in the world of Olympiads. Okay. This is not like your regular studies. This is a little bit upper level and different from your regular studies. So here you go with the exercise of that particular chapter. Log with the answer keys also, but I recommend you download your PDF, solve this paper, and then check your answers later on. That how you have performed. Okay, here you go with the answer keys. Okay. Yes, so that's pretty much about it. How you can have access of your material on the dashboard. You need to log out and let me stop sharing my screen. Now we are open for the Q&A round. If anybody is having any doubt, needed a clarity, feel free to drop your questions in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer your each and every query. If not, then we are good to go for the demo. Any doubt? Abdul, Vedat, Skyra, Path. Skyra, Path, you nod your head very quickly. No? Okay, so we have coming over here, Hamza, Varsha. Any doubt or shall we begin? Your mentor is also waiting for you. No? Okay. Over to you, Nihama.
Okay. So, first of all, why we do study reasoning? We should know what is the reason. See, what I did, I used the word reason. Reason means to coming to the certain conclusion. Okay, you have to give the reason that why you are coming to this conclusion. Okay, when you give reason to your answer, that's what we call as reasoning. Okay, it involves your thinking, it involves how you come to the means what you are thinking, what you are deciding. Okay, so whatever you are thinking and whatever you're deciding, that's based and and based on that, whatever the answer you are giving, whatever the reason you are giving to your particular solution, that is called as reasoning. Okay, now see, what is reasoning? Reasoning means you have to observe. Okay, in see, in reasoning you will be having, as you all are very very intelligent, somebody has told blood relations, somebody has told puzzles, water images, mirror images. Okay, in that case, what you are doing, you are doing observation. Okay, you are observing that how the things are working on, and you are you are imagining. Okay, you are just thinking that how the suppose if I give you any figure, okay, any uh, figure is given to you, and if I asked you to find its mirror image, okay, then whatever you are imagining, okay, that is what we called as reasoning. So see how your imagination works. Okay, now certain things you have to learn, certain codes you have to learn. See, you know what is this? These are called as divider. M and N are called as dividers. Okay, in between A to Z, we have 26 alphabets. So always first letter is paired with the last letter. 1, 26, 2, 25, 3, 24, 4, 22, like that. Okay. And M and N are always called as dividers of the alphabets. Okay. Dividers of the alphabet. Why? Because the position of M and N will means if you just count from here, it will be 13. If you'll count from here, it will be 13. Basically, in alphabetical order, it is 13 and 14. And 13 and 14 are called as the dividers. Okay. One more thing that you need to learn in alphabetical order. Suppose if some alphabets are given to you and they will ask you to find the position of that alphabets and all, then you should learn about ejoti. Okay, it's a short form. What is ejoti? Ejoti means within the set of 26 letters, the fifth letter is E, the 10th letter is J, the 15th letter is O, the 20th letter is T, and 25th letter is Y. Okay. And based on that, you can find the alphabetical position of the different alphabets. But how to learn the codes of the alphabet? A and Z will be opposite to each other. So that you can just learn by Azad. Huh? BY, boy, CX, cracks, DW, dew, mountain dew. Huh? I like it. I don't know about others, but I like golden very much. Okay. EV, evening, FU, funny, GT, gate, HS, hostel, IR, Indian Railway, JQ, Jungle Queen, Jack Ellis, though those who are interested in cricket and all, you can learn by Jack Ellis. Huh? Jack and Queen, just like in the game of cards. So, lot of things. Symbols, to remember the symbols, you can make on your own. Okay. LO, lion, MN, moon. Okay. Like that, you can learn. These A is opposite of Z. B is opposite of Y. C is opposite of X. This is very important to learn. A, Z, B, Y, C, X, D, W, E, V, F, U. This is very important because once you will be doing the alphabetical, means you have to solve the question of reasoning using alphabetical orders. This will be very much helpful for you. Okay. If anybody is having any doubt, they can write in the chat section also. Okay. Now see, let's begin with the questions. Let's do it. Mobile, it is coded as N, P, C, J, M, F. Okay. It's very easy. What? How they have coded. Coded means some hidden messages they have given. Okay. What hidden messages they have given? They have increased the position of the alphabet by 1. M plus 1. M is 13. N is 14. After M, we get N. Okay. So in this question, how laptop will be coded as? What will be the alphabet after L? It is M. What will be the alphabet after A? It is B. After P, it's Q. After T, U, P. So what can be the option? M, B, Q, U, P. Okay. So you have to observe. First, you have to observe that how the pattern is going on. Just like, suppose, if this question is given as, just a minute. Okay. Then if it is coded like this, then what what can be the code for? Yes. Please write it in the chat box. If mat is coded as PDW, then what can be the code of SUN? You have to write now. Just write down the code. No, see, some of you have tried, but that's not actually, those whose answer is correct, it's okay. But those who's not, please just check. M, N, O, we are skipping NO, then we are getting P. In A to D, we are skipping B and C. T, U, V, we are skipping, then we are getting W. Means two alphabets we are skipping. So from S, we have to skip to T, U, and we will get V. U, V, W, X. So answer will be VXQ. Those who got this answer, it's very good. Okay, let me check. Very good, Vedakar. Very good, Abdul. One more kid has given this answer. Just a minute, actually, my chat works. Harsha, very good. Skyra, very good. Okay. Yes, next. Okay. In a certain code, if internet is coded as TENRETNI, okay, then what will be the code for website? It's easy. I think it's written from left to right like this. Then here it is written from right to left. Similarly, this will be written like this. Now ETISBEW. Huh? So what we are doing, we are just observing that what pattern it is following. It is not mandatory that in all the coding and decoding, okay, you will get the same pattern. The patterns will be changing accordingly. Okay. Now, next one. Let's come to the next question. Yes. Now, please do it. I want all of you to do this question. Done? Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yes, path. Very good, Vedaka. Hmm. Actually, somewhere the people are little wrong. Not all. Only few. Who has written HES? That is not correct. Okay. So KASHMIR is coded as SAKH, means first the arrangement is done here. Then RIM means it is in the, means from left to right, we repeated it from right to left. That you have to observe. Okay. But here, these two places are interchanging first. AS is SA. Okay. So write like this, PRADESH. Most of you have done it correct. Okay. So it's a 7-letter word. First, the arrangement is in between these 4 letters, and then the arrangement is in between these 3 letters. So how these 3 letters are going on? Means in the reverse order. So it will be SHSE. Okay. See, what I think, if I'll be in place of you, okay, if I'll be in place of you, definitely I would have not done the whole question, because what I did, MIR is RIM, so ESH will be HSE, and only in one question I am having this option. Okay, so I would not have moved further. Okay, this is what you have to learn here. How to go with the options, how to select the answers with the option. Okay, but yes, again, if you want to learn, so AR and definitely KH will be PD. Okay. But I think if the options are different and you can see that these 3 letters are changing the position in a reverse order, then definitely you can go with this option. I hope that's clear to you. Okay, wait. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now I want to check who is giving me the very smart answer for this question. Very quickly. Yes. Still thinking? Hmm. Yes. I got the answer. How many of you have got the answer? Okay. I'll give you one hint. Just go through this one. Okay. Go through the dividers and just think what we can just is any alphabet C. What was the question? Just give me a moment. The question was gold, gold. Okay. Silver, gold and gold. Just come in. Gold is written as gold. These two positions are same. Okay. Now, actually no. G is having the divider as T. But what happened is Kyra and T is having, sorry, G is having the divided T and D is having the opposite W. Their opposites are changing the position, right? So SILVER. What is the opposite of R? Opposite of R is I. So I will come here. What is the opposite of S? It is H. Okay. Let's check. Is there any option with starting I and ending up H? If there will be only one single option, then definitely we can stop. If no, I and H. Okay, two options are here, B and C. Then what we have to do? We have to see again that which two other options are having the different positions and different values. Okay, now I and E. Okay, I and E will change their position. What is the opposite of I? That is R. And what is the opposite of E? That is V. But it will change the position like this. Now I think we don't have to look here. IV, first two alphabets will be IB and the last two alphabets will be RH. Let's check. Is there any IV and RH? IV and RH. Okay, only this option is getting satisfied. So the answer will be D. Okay. Vedakart, very good. I think more only, yeah, Skyra's answer is correct. Vedakart's answer is correct. Ah, very good. Very good, Abdul. Very good, Varsha. All of you, those who have done correct, that's very good. Okay. Means, and those whose answer were wrong, then also very good for your efforts. Okay. Now do this one. Okay. For this, you will get only 30 seconds. I think it will be 20 seconds question. 2 seconds question. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good, Hamza. Very good, Vedakart. Your answers are correct. Done? Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good, Farhan. Very good, Skyra. So all of your answers are correct. Okay. Very good. So you understand that CH is replaced with HC, RO is replaced with OR, ME is replaced with EM. That's correct. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Huh. Do it this one. Done? First letter will be second from the starting. Okay. So first letter will be second from the starting, and third letter is the last from the starting. So what is the third letter? T is last from the starting. Okay. No. It's not satisfying this one. Okay, leave it. First letter will be the second from the starting. Got it? Then fourth letter. So what is fourth letter? R. Do we have R? No. What pattern it is following? EQUATION. Okay. Fourth letter. Mid of the letter means it should start from T. It's not starting from T. No, none of the option is aim, tricks. Fourth letter. So third letter should start from T, na? R and how it can be started. This is the second letter. Okay, you have answered. No, 6A. How it can be 6A, Skyra? Actually, I don't find it following any pattern. That's what I'm looking at it too. EQ. E is the second letter, Q is the third last letter. Okay. So for that, M should be the second letter, and uh, M should be the second letter, and Q should be, and A should be the second last letter, like this. We are not getting any letter in place of M. Okay, just leave this question. I think there is something wrong in this one, because the pattern is not at all means this pattern is not following this one. Okay, none of means this pattern is totally different. Suppose if I'm taking that these are 8 letters. Okay, AEINOQTU. These are 8 letters. So we have to divide it 4 and 4, and matrix is 6 letters. Okay. So here what I'm doing, if the fourth letter is the starting one, so here third letter should be the starting one. Okay. So I don't think so that it is means fulfilling any of the option. Okay. I'll check it. I'll get it checked. Next question is, yes. Just try to do this one. Next question. HOUSE is coded as 8155 So what will be the code for the soul? Yes, none fulfilled. Now, this will be helpful if you'll just go with this trick. HOT. Okay? HOT means it's a fifth letter, 10th letter, 15th letter, 20th letter, 25th letter. Okay. Now, H for E, F, G, H. H for 8, and then O for 15. Okay, it means all the alphabetical means where the alphabets are placed, that number is given. Okay, so what will be the answer for soul? Okay, so S means M and O. Okay, can we check the last digit only? That is L. Huh? So we know that M and N are dividers, that is 13 and 14. So L will be 12. So I think this will be option A, because all the values are different in the last one. Okay. So we can go with this option. Got it? Is that clear? Anybody having any doubt? A. Very good. Right. Now last but not the least. Yes, do this one. Yes. Oh, wow. A. Very good. Very good. Okay. So most of you have answered it A. Very good. And one more means message I am getting from one of the kids that's telling that it is alphabetical order. I know it's alphabetical order, but I don't find it satisfying any of the condition. That's why I said that I have to check. Who is that kid? Let me check. Uh, just a minute. Parth. Yes, Parth. I know that sixth is following the alphabetical order, but I don't know. I don't think it is following any certain alphabetical order. That's why I was just saying that we have to look into that question. If you know, please let me know that alphabetical order. Do you have any idea for this? Okay. A to Z. What is A to Z? No. All the alphabets. See, it is just a coding of this is 8 words coding. This is the coding of 6 because whatever the numbers you are getting from equation, it is arranged here. How the arrangement is done, that is not satisfying any of the given options. Okay, Vedakar, what happened? It is, let me check it again. AEINOQT. Okay. So Q is added with 1, 2, 3, third position. Okay. Because position of Q is 2 here and position of Q is 6 here. Okay. So every position is added with 4. No, 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 Parth, no. Okay, you are saying that it is from alphabetical order and A should come first and X should come last? No, 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 it's not like that. It's totally not like that. These two letters are encoded. See, Q is added with 4 here. U is added again with 4 here. Wait, because position of Q was 2, then it was 6. Okay, position of U was 2, then it was 6. So, if 2 and 6 is giving 8. Okay, let me check. Let me check. So, matrix means position of M, it should give 4. So, 1 plus 3. Okay, it should come R. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1 plus 2. T, none of the option is getting satisfied. None of the option is getting satisfied. And whatever you are thinking, that it's following the alphabetical order, that A is coming first in this and this is coming, no. Oh, oh, yes, 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 yes. Now I got it. I was going through A to Z. Hmm. Sorry, I'm very sorry. Actually, it is following alpha. I'm very sorry. I didn't means I what I thought that it is following certain coding pattern. My mind didn't went in that way, and I was thinking about A to Z means dividers and all. Yes, yes, yes. It is following the alphabetical orders. So it will be A I, then it will be M, then it will be T, then it will be R, then it will be X. I am extremely sorry. My mind didn't went in that direction. Okay. So what will be that? Here it is following alphabetical order. So it will also follow the alphabetical order. But it doesn't means it's not a type of coding. So that's why my mind didn't went in that direction. But because in coding, some addition of alphabets is required, some subtraction of alphabet, some interchanging the position of alphabets is required. Okay, fine. Thank you, Vedakart. And yes, what's the name? Yashasvi. Okay, fine. Anybody is having any doubts in the session? Yeah, Part, you're smiling. Okay, anybody is having any doubts in the session? Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.